It's nice to see you today. I get a good comic from Pickles today. Grandpa and his grandson Nelson are together, and Grandpa says, "You kids may know all about your tablets and texting and stuff, but we old folks know how to do things you kids can't even dream of." And Nelson says, "Like what?" Grandpa says, "Well, like how to change the ink ribbon on a typewriter." And the grandson Nelson says, "Wow, that's cool, Grandpa. What's a typewriter?" So, I've got a typewriter right here. Dylan bought this recently. And so, if you don't know what a typewriter is, here's one right here. Hey, the thought I have for today isn't about typewriters. But the thought is whatever you do, always give 100%, unless you're donating blood. That's all for now. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.